It's snowing.
It's snowing a lot. So one of the downsides of having a lot of farm animals, or animals in general, is you don't get to take a break. I am not feeling very well. Better than I have been, but there's no skipping out on chores. So you just gotta pull through, make it work. It's not always fun, but they still gotta eat. I just got Molly out. It's actually like, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so the day's almost over. But, oh gosh, she about bit it. You're a nut. What are you doing, Molly? I didn't get her out earlier because there's nothing to nibble on, and she gets bored really easily. And when it's windy like it has been, she'll stand right behind the little shelter there and just stare at the ground. So I didn't want her out here being cold and not having anything to do, so. You running laps? Oh boy. Oh boy. You're so gonna fall. Oh jeez. You're a wild thing. Anyways, like I said, I haven't felt the best, so filming has not happened in days now. But obviously, we don't take breaks around here, so everything's still been happening, but as far as me picking up the camera, it just hasn't. Molly's still running laps like a wild thing. Gotta clean up some horse poo. Alright, I have the horse poo scooped, and it looks like Molly has calmed down. She's done running like a banshee, I guess. Now she thinks I have snacks. Okay, goaties. You're next. Okay, yeah, Jojo. Why is this bowl like 6 miles away over here? Right on her head. Perfect. Alright, run. Okay. Just about rode a goat. Oh, there's poo. Goats are fed. And I just added to their water yesterday, so that should be fine. Chickens are distracted. Now I need more hay, because I ran out in this barn. Temperature is dropping really fast. My fingers are going numb. That's why you shouldn't do this late in the day. Toby, are you outside, buddy? Well, it looks like he's been outside a few times today. Tobsters! Toblobe! Oh, okay. Here you go, buddy. Bun Bun, are you good in here? Hi. Oh, looks like your light is doing good. Light. It's not a light. It's a ceramic bowl. Here you go, Bun Bun. Alright, let's get some more hay down. know what the cats are gonna do when all these hay bales are gone. You won't have anywhere to play. Poor thing. So you're probably wondering, why didn't she just use the four-wheeler to haul the 40-pound bales of hay? Well, because last time I tried to start it, it didn't start. And I just didn't feel like fighting that, so here we are. Successful. A little bit more tired, but successful. What's the matter? That's your sister. Be nice. Oh, that's not your sister though. They're so grumpy all the time. Alright, I'm gonna give Tobes a little more hay so he stays nice and warm. And I think that's gonna be it. Everybody be done. I'll just have to put Molly back up before it gets dark. But that's gonna be it. Now that I'm a frozen popsicle, Miranda decides to come out.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And